Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Oppo Enco X with a iPhone device. So in order to do this, first let's open up Bluetooth on our iPhone, make sure that it's on, and here we can go for Bluetooth settings. Now let's open the case with these earbuds. We can take both of them out. Now click on the Oppo Enco X on the other devices. And as you can see, it just paired. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.